Craft and Meds bus link up in Trinidad.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great, and one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification button. Now, Skeng, this is an ominous warning to you. You keep on going to Trinidad and dealing with the 7, and there's a full-fledged war going on. Listen, watch the video and hear what I say to you. Now, as for Prezi and 6Ixx, I tell them I give them 2 weeks to put out a statement to detract the violence. Now, if them not do that, they know what I gonna do. Me have the baddest police in a Trinidad number, and me have some other people number. If them no retract the violence within the end of the 2 weeks, me I go send some police in upon them. Me I send some soldier. FBI I go look your B. Me I tell you, me have a whole heap of number, and people been watching them. There is something in the works. So Prezi, me I tell you and 6Ixx, stop the fuckery. As you all know, Skeng goes to Trinidad all the time. He was there with Kman 6Ixx, and then he's been back there by himself. And you know he rocks with the 7 crew and the Ratty gang out of Jamaica. Now, I am very concerned about this young man. Skeng is a rock star, you know. They can perform. You can see it right here. Let me show you guys something. Oh, me nah lie. You see that youth here, Skeng? Me I tell you no, wait my mind here. Me I go call him the Jamaican Mick Jagger. That boy here, a rock star. If me an artist and I perform, I saw me I do it like Skeng. Now, as you all know, this is nothing hiding. Skeng and Kman 6Ixx have a beef going on, I guess, within the media. Now, my warning to Skeng is, you better take this very, very serious. Why? I am gonna explain why, but like me say, Skeng a bad boy, and him have the Ratty gang, and him a make some money now, and him a do him thing. Now, when I want Skeng bout is this guy right here. Look at the screen in front of you. That's Yo Killer from West Bank Records. And Skeng have to be very perceptive and do not get complacent. Because you see, West Bank Record, them have a long arm within the Carriebean. Now, West Bank Record, they're back in the 6, in the war and everything, if you didn't know that. And West Bank Records, they have connection in all the Caribbean islands. Let me repeat that again. Them have connection in all the Caribbean islands. The only island them not have connection in like that is Jamaica, and they did link Squash and the 6Ixx gang, and I guess that didn't really work out. Squash still works with them and thing, but them never get a chokehold on Jamaica because Jamaica dynamics is different. Squash them a scammer, them now have not now go on for them. Maybe if West Bank had linked somebody like Skeng or somebody up the chain like Lane or something, maybe they would have a better foothold in Jamaican music. Now, Trinidad, obviously, them have a fight with Trinidad because they're in Trinidad, but them still don't have a lock on Trinidad. Why? Because of Prezi and other people. Like I stated, I did a video before on Skeng, and me I do this one here again. Skeng I act like him not have no bomber clad sense. You understand? He's repping Prezi and the 7 gang. That brings me to what I want to say to Skeng in this video. Now Skeng, may I tell you something? You see, West Bank, they have a lot of money, and I want you to listen to this clearly. They will put on a concert for you to come and perform, and then they'll murder you and kill you and fuck you up. I am going to repeat this again. Skeng, West Bank has a lot of money. You understand? They have a long reach in the Caribbean, from St. Kitts to St. Mark, wherever. You understand? And they align themselves with the 6Ixx. So, what I'm saying, be very careful, be very mindful, do not get complacent. I know you like Prezi, but Prezi them have a serious war going on, and as you know, mad people dying, all sorts of things going on, and they will set a trap for you. Now, you remember Early B, the doctor, the Jamaican artist who sing One Wheel, Wheelie Make a Wheelie One Wheel? That's how he was killed in America at a concert that they put on, and a lot of people say that's because of what his younger brother was doing. Tata was robbing and doing all sorts of things, so the man them get rid of Early B. So Skeng, I know you're young, you're full of energy, all sort of thing, and this is my warning to you. West Bank will set up a concert and they will fucking murder you. So with that said, be very vigilant. I'm about to shut this video off, and like I said, there's more videos coming up. A couple murders happened last night in Trinidad. I am gonna dig in and tell you guys what's going on. Now St. Vincent man them, me dep on your case. Shotty Mark and Reed's pen, me dep on the case with the boy Dangles, and I'm not giving up. Last but not least, I gave Prezi 6 down them 2 weeks. If not, they'll see what I'm gonna do. Yo, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out.